All right, people, welcome again to MG Sports TV. So, the official announcement of two Reggae Boy friendly before the Nation League game against Mexico. I have some surprising news for you guys. I have some big surprising news for you guys, and I'm telling you, I got so much beaten for this. I hear so much of the Reggae Boy fans complain about it at the initial stage. But let me tell you something. You are most definitely in for a surprise. Anyways, people, smash the like button, hit the subscribe button if you're here for the first time. And share the video if you want other persons to find out what is happening. Now, please support our sponsors, Sap Sports. Yeah, as you can see here, Sap Sports. You can check them out on IG on Sap Sports 4 to get your latest Reggae Boy jerseys, kits, gears, footballing gears, every single thing. It is available. Also, let me give a proper shout out to our channel. Oh no, that's not it. That's not it. That's actually the JPL team of the week. My apologies, people. Good. A proper shout out to our channel members. As you can see, we have a few channel patrons. We have Raymond Austin. We also have Ravan Bennett. That's the channel patrons. Big up to you guys. Thank you very much for the continued support. The channel members now, big list of members. If you want to join, the link is in the description. The link is in the description if you want to join. The original Zilla, big up. Jermaine Swaby, Rose Gold, David Beckham, Feather 5, Black Icon 40, Kyle Wallace from the Reggae Boyz Supporters Club. From the Reggae Boyz Supporters Club, people, check them out. Lee Bell, Marsden Ricketts, Jamil Winter, and Rolando Codner. Big up to our channel members every time, all the time. All right, so let me give you guys the details first of all. So the Reggae Boyz have an international friendly sated, at two international friendly sated for Trinidad in a 2-game series. Remember, they did the same thing for the under 17 team. They played one in stadium, one at the I think done by Jungle, Anthony Spalding, and next one done by Stets. No, they're doing something similar, really similar. And I would understand why they use those pitch, because of the surface. Good. The first match is on the March the 4th. That's next week. Next week, I think that's next week Sunday. I believe it's next week Sunday, people. March the 4th. And the next one is March the 11th. Now, for those who don't know, those are not stipulated FIFA window. Those two dates are not stipulated FIFA window. Let me tell you, the next FIFA window dates are as stipulated the 20th of March to the 28th of March. Also, the 12th of June to the 20th of June. And you're going to find on the 26th of June to the July 16th where CONCACAF Gold Cup will be taking place. Can I make it to the Gold Cup? Can I make it to the CONCACAF Gold Cup? Interesting. Anyways, anyways, so people, so let's get on to the meat of the matter. The purpose why I share those details with you guys is this. Our Reggae Boyz have a game. How me lose that? How me not lose that? What the heck? Why me lose that? Our next game is stipulated for the 26th of March, which is within the CONCACAF date, stipulated date. Not CONCACAF, FIFA stipulated window. So, what is this saying? This is saying that we won't be able to see our most luxurious top quality players coming for those two international friendly series versus Trinidad. The Mikel Antonios, the Ravel Morrison, the Andre Blake, the Ethan Pinnock, the Johnson Clark Harris, whatever name you want to call, the luxurious players. We won't have them. Even players in the MLS, even players in the USL, we won't have these players because it is not a stipulated FIFA window. Let me get it out of the way. Out of the way as fast as possible. So, what next? So as you guys know, at Captain Horaceburg Center, Himmer Hall Grimson, our head coach, has been performing this series of training session with selected members from the Jamaica Premier League, and definitely that was with the eye in to look at what's going to happen coming closer to this international window. And I would understand that there's no FIFA window at this approximate time, which means that preparing a local squad first and foremost was quite a forward-thinking move by the coach, which he understand what's happening, and he said, okay, let me prepare a team in the event I won't be able to have access to these players, the top talent outside of Jamaica that's playing in Europe. And guess what? He has been doing the preparation. The squad, week in, week out, he's doing the preparation. And for sure, we will see by next week who are those players who will be ready to pay, if they are prepared enough. Well, I do assume, credit to the coach. He's been doing a great job so far. Who are those players who will be representing Jamaica in those 2-game series? Because it's going to be comprised of mostly local players. I'm not sure where else they're going to get other players, if they might dip into the USL or into the MLS to see if they can, but I highly doubt. I'm not sure if there's a break at any one of those leagues right now. I'm not sure. I'm really not sure. But what I'm saying is this: it's highly unlikely to get extremely highly unlikely to get any one of those players, those top players that we would definitely be able to see. So fortunately, we have a coach who is thinking further ahead in Al Grimson, who was already in the process, or already preparing a team for a particular situation like this. And I did a video about the importance of having a local squad. We get beaten enough time. Hey, MG, don't do the local ball, this, that, rated, whatever. No, time is upon us now for that same preparation, or for the same argument to come to fourfold, that this is the current situation and this is what we need to do. I did a video about it recently. I've been getting a lot of backlash for it, saying over and over again about that. And now we're seeing the importance of having a local squad who's already prepared and ready to compete at any given level. And that is the situation. So there will be we'll play a friendly against Guatemala. That will be in preparation for the Gold Cup. The Guatemala friendly will be in April. The Guatemala friendly would be in April. So I didn't get the exact date for the Guatemala friendly, but definitely that friendly would be in April. Hopefully, maybe in the later stage of April, or the players probably. Let me check if there's a FIFA date in April. No, there's no official FIFA date in April. So that friendly also is going to be comprised of locals. It's going to be a local squad as well. So 2 games being prepared by the coach would have to be, well, 3 games actually. Definitely going to be a team prepared for the local by the local squad. So that is the current situation. It's going to be 3 matches played using local squad, because these matches won't be played in an international FIFA window. And you guys know how difficult it is to pull players from their club at this present time. So big up. Definitely, we're interested to see what's going to come up. Interested to see Al Grimson's first selection. Definitely going to be intriguing to see how the team perform and what is going to happen. So I assume that he's going to now double down and or increase the intensity of these training sessions that is taking place by Captain Horaceburg Center for sure. Anyways, people, this has been a really informative one. Hopefully, you guys are doing good. 3 friendlies, Guatemala and Trinidad in a 2-game part series on the 4th and the 11th. Guatemala has been confirmed. I didn't get the information on that as yet. But that is the situation, people. Massive respect, people. What do you think about it? It will be a team comprised of mostly, or maybe more than likely, a local squad to go out there and compete. So it's going to be interesting, people. It's going to be really interesting. Hopefully get televised coverage of it. Hopefully. I'm not behind the scene, nothing. Anyways, big up, people. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. If you're here for the first time, MG Sports TV, people. And we are Out. Boom. Make music.